Morning everyone, welcome to another video. As you can see, the river's in colour. The main river's in, it's so chocolate brown, it's just not fishing. So there's one place I always come, and that's down here. Guaranteed to catch a fish or two. Sometimes you can pull a good lump out of here as well. You've seen this in one of my other videos where I fished here before. But to me it's better conditions today, because if there's anywhere that fish is in full colour, it's here. So let's run the bread through and see if there's any fish down there, shall we? I've got my little old rod again, a little 8-foot GTI rod, Harrison blank. Let's put the float through, see if we can hook a fish. Already there was a touch on the float then. That's good signs. I'm using bread flake, just putting some large bits of bread flake on, because I know from experience with down here, I pulled a real nice couple of roach out of here one session, so I know they hang around here. And with it in full colour like this, you just never know your luck. If they're about, they'll have it. Also get a few chub along here as well. It's not very deep. Ooh. There you go. Nice roach to start the day. It's absolutely packed full of them here. Great fun. Yeah, I'm literally about probably 3 foot deep here. Just as well it's no deeper, because this rod's only 8 foot. Using a nice visible float here. It's got one of those square tops to it. Perfect for shallow water. It's literally going to be one a chuck, I reckon. Number 2. Put an even bigger bit of flake on. Got a main line of 018 with an 010 hook link on. A big fish on this rod, you really know it. It's absolutely great fun, and it handles them. Where else would you hook roach like that in coloured up water? You tell me. That's 3. I will lose count, I guarantee you. That's a big bit of bread, that, look. And their little mouse will just gobble that up. Yeah, it's an Avon float, this one. A little dace this time. Number 4. I should have brought a clicker with me to count the fish. You don't really even have to put much feed out there. It's got a nice gravel bottom here. I'm only going to spend a few hours, I've got things to do today. So visible, that float. It's just creeping behind that tree and I can't see it properly now, so just retrieve it at that point. I'll just go a couple of inches deeper here because it's not dragging on anything. As I said before, it's a nice gravelly bottom here. That's why the roach love it so much around this area. I come down here in the summertime and I've literally seen hundreds and hundreds of roach here, with a few good ones in the bunch. This is where I first fished as a kid. If you watch my first video, the day I met Ken, this is where I first came. Started catching a lot of roach. Well, I think I've lost count already. I think that's 5. I knew I'd lose count. Need to cut that branch above me. Even with a short rod I'm hitting it. That's why I use a short rod here, because I mean you can't see it on the camera, but there's trees sort of overhanging this way, and you lift your rod up and yeah, you just hit them. Such an easy way of fishing this is, and it's great fun. Certainly get through some bread on this stretch of river. This leads out into the main River Stour. It's about a mile up. I think that's number 7. Made a splash. It's number 8. They're all about the same size at the moment. Another ball of bread out there. Hopefully that might get the chub going as well. And there's number 9. Well, if you was fishing a match here, you'd certainly build a weight up. Oh, they're getting smaller. Number 10. Number 11. That's nearly every trot I'm getting a fish. You all right, mate? Yeah, not bad. No. Well, I've just had a phone call from my old mate Charlie Kemmett down in Hampshire, so I'm going down there tomorrow to fish with him for 4 days on the Hampshire Avon. It's fishing really well at the moment, so see if I can go and hook some decent roach down there. He's already had a 2-pounder today. Fair play to him. So hopefully I can get another one. And don't get me wrong, they are in this river as well, because I've had them out of here, but there's a lot more of them down there in the Avon. So I will make this quite a quick video, as I say, and then probably wrap up and go and get all my gears sorted out for the journey down there tomorrow. It's a 3-hour drive. I think that's number 17, is it? I've got 2 cows behind me just just watching me fish. They're just sitting there, been there ever since I got here, and they're just literally watching it, my every move, chewing the grass. Bit of entertainment for them. Is that number 19 or 18? I don't know, so we'll call it 18. Try and remember that. Well, I'll probably go up to 25 fish, that's number 20, and then I'll call it a day, I think. As I say, I've got to get back. It's just a quick session, bit of practice. Let's try a massive bit of bread. That's a big lump. Just move that Olivet down a little bit. Keep it nearer the bottom. Otherwise it's just going to float right up. See if they take a massive bit. Yep, they took it. Feels a, oh, feels a nice roach actually. Don't really want to lose this one because it does feel nice to show you the bigger bits of bread work. Could be a chub. No, it's definitely a roach. I don't know though. It's going for that snag. It's fighting like a roach, but no, it's just a small chub. Where are you? Come right in on my own bank. Come on, get your head up. It's only a little chub. Oh, he's got some stuff in his gob. Don't know what he's been eating, but something's... That's another fish just come out of his mouth there. He had another fish in his gob. Crushed alive. Little dace. Ooh. There's number 22. 3 more to go. Little chublet. 23. See you later. Two more to go. Wasp. They're still around. 24. Last fish and I'm done. $25. Oh. See you later. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that session. Just a quick one. 25 fish in an hour and a bit. Can't grumble at that really, can you? So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.